Welcome to our channel. This is Gudes.
Mama, you put on your clothes.
Yeah, wait lang. Today, I'm going to show you Lev's new toy, the Talking Globe, by Lipfrog. So, mag-unbox tayo today. Actually, nabuksan na namin to and nabili namin to sa Toy Kingdom. And it's on sale. It's originally almost 10K, 9,999. Tama ba? Sobra yung 999 ko. 9,999. So, on sale siya. It's 7K only. Ayun. Tapos, so buksan na natin. Kahit nabuksan na namin, pakita ko siya. Excited ako ipakita siya sa inyo kasi nakakatuwa siya. And I think, malaki ang may tutulong nito for homeschool. So, kung nag-homeschool kayo, check this out. Nag-ikot-ikot din ako sa mall, parang wala akong masyado nakita ng ganito. Meron siya dati sa Robinsons pero naubos na raw. Hindi nila sure kung kailan sila magkakaroon ng bagong stock. So, sa Toy Kingdom lang talaga ako nakakita ng ganito. And dalawa lang daw ang stocks nila and last piece na to nung nabili ko. So, try natin. Papakita ko sa inyo paano siya gumana. So, ito siya. Kita nyo ba? Yan, ganyan siyang kalaki. Ayan. So, ito yung pen niya. Wired siya. Sige, turn muna natin. This is battery operated.
Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe.
Ayan. Lakasan natin siya. It has a button for volume. Pwede siyang...
You'll need to use the stylus to play with this globe.
And pwede rin siyang stylus.
The stylus works best when tapped straight against the globe, not at an angle.
Ayan. Max na siya.
Tap the
And yung
button
brightness,
around the
pwede nyo
screen
rin
to make selections.
i-adjust.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's
Pwede nyo
countries.
i-adjust yung brightness, pwede rin. Kung ayaw nyo masyadong maliwanag. Ayan. Pero babalik ko na lang siya. Gusto ko maliwanag na maliwanag. Ayan. So, yan yung mga choices niya. So, ayan. Tinry natin yung continents. Try natin yung North America.
North America. North America is the third largest of the world's continents. The countries of Canada,
Diba,
United
in-explain
States,
niya
and
yung
Mexico make up
information
most of
about
this
the
continent's
continent.
area. It is
Hindi mo
fourth in
na-
population
parang
among the
kung-
world's continents.
Oo, pwede ka
This
mag-YouTube
continent
about
is
this,
bounded
pero
on the
syempre,
north by
diba,
the Arctic Ocean, on the
tipid
east
time
by
na
the North Atlantic
all-in-one na
Ocean,
siya na
on the south by the
automatic
Caribbean
na
Sea,
pagka
and on the west by the North
pakita
Pacific
mo sa
Ocean.
bata na ito,
From
North
tropical
America,
jungles to the
papakita mo niya
freezing
diretso
Arctic,
kung ano yung
North
information
America
about
has
that.
more climate variation
Hindi
than
na,
any other
no need for
continent, and almost
parang
every
iba-iba
type of
pa ng
ecosystem is
medium.
represented here. The
Tsaka
original
minsan nakakalito
inhabitants
sa
of North
sobrang
America were Native
overloaded ng
Americans,
information sa
who are
YouTube,
thought to
diba?
have come from Asia
Ito,
over
provided by
20,000
BBC nga
years
pala
ago.
ito.
The Maya and
So,
Aztec
reliable
built great
talaga ang
civilizations in
source.
Central America prior to the arrival of Europeans. Today, North America contains approximately 23 countries.
Yan, try natin ang Asia.
Asia. Asia is the world's largest and most
Asia.
populated continent. This continent contains nearly a third of Earth's total landmass. It is home to over half of the entire world's population. Asia includes some of the world's wettest, driest
Countries.
animals.
Yan, try natin ang
Use the
animals.
stylus to touch the native to Siberia and many parts of Asia and Europe. The lynx is a group of medium-sized cats that live in forested mountainous areas. Their paws have sharp, retractable claws that they use to hunt for food, which includes rabbits, squirrels, rodents, boars, and deer. Lynx
Yung
have
sa
a short
adventure packs, ito yung...
There's even more to explore with new adventure packs for your Magic Adventures Globe. Go back in time to see dinosaurs,
Yeah, may dinosaur
learn about
pack.
ancient civilizations and their many different mythologies.
mga countries, yung mga animals per countries,
geology. Use the
geology,
stylus. Landmarks. Use
landmarks,
the
Capitals.
capitals,
languages,
languages, flags,
currency, size,
Mix it up. Continents.
countries.
ayan.
Use the stylus to touch
Actually,
the globe and learn about the world's
na-update
countries.
to, meron tong kasamang USB. And itong adventure packs, pagka pinrest nyo yan,
There's even more to explore
pwede nyo
with
siyang
new
i-connect sa
adventure
computer
packs
na
for your
na-update
Magic
mo,
Adventures Globe.
yung na-download
Go
mo
back
from
in
their
time to
website.
see dinosaurs,
Kaso,
learn about ancient
kailangan nyo siyang
civilizations,
bilhin
and
ng
many different
buo. So,
mythologies.
hindi ko pa na-check kung
Discover
magkano
the
yun.
people
So,
and
pero siguro
inventions
usually mga
change the
$10,
way we
$20
live.
per
Immerse yourself
pack.
in the
So,
varied
depende kung anong
cultures
gusto
of the
nyo kunin
modern
ng pack.
world.
May
Purchase
dinosaur,
adventure
ganyan.
packs with their new
So,
games and
updated,
videos. Connect your
updated
globe.
siya.
Purchase adventure packs with their new games and videos. Connect your globe to a computer with a USB cable and go to leapfrog.com/connect to download Leapfrog Connect. Ask a parent if you need help and let the magical adventures continue.
Ayan, madali lang siya. Ito, lahat ng itong tatlo na to, mga pang-games
Use
siya.
the stylus to touch the globe.
Yan yung pwede mong,
Welcome to the Where in the
if you
World
want
game,
to
where we'll uncover some of
test
the
your
world's
child,
greatest
kung ano yung
mysteries.
mga natutunan nyo dito, or kaya pang-games sa mga magpipinsa, sa magbabarkada, para mas masaya ang banding, parang magkakaklase sila.
Here's a riddle
ganyan.
for you. What's deeper than the tallest mountain? Quiz show.
Yan.
How many players are playing? Using the stylus, touch the A or C button beneath the screen to make a selection.
Yan. Yan, see.
2 players. Select your difficulty level. Use a challenge. It's round 1.
Yan.
Let's go.
Okay, sampulan natin. Tingnan natin kung
Time to
masagutan
spin the
natin.
wheel for the next round category.
Here we go.
Landmark.
Okay, landmarks.
Player 1, it's your turn.
Ako sa player 1 and player 2.
Stonehenge is a mysterious circular group of huge stone blocks in southern England. Can you find it?
Yan. So, ganito siya gamitin. Automatic siya. Tama ba?
Correct.
Correct. So, usually in landmarks niya, mayroon mga parang
You have 1
may
point.
parang picture siya na parang may
Sydney
pillars.
Opera House is a
Yun. So,
concert
yun
hall
yung
in
mga
Australia
landmarks.
with a roof so unique. It's one of the most
Australia.
photographed buildings in the world. Can you find it?
Okay, correct. So, wag na natin masyadong i-expose ang ating
You
talent.
have 2 points.
So, pwede tayong mag-try ng around the world.
Are you sure you want
So-
to exit your game? Using the
Mag-exit,
stylus, touch the A or
tapos
C button.
A kung yes.
Around the world in 20 days.
Your mission is to
Medyo mahaba rin tong laro na to.
20 days or less.
Papakita lang
Answer
natin
questions correctly and you'll race through 2
ano yung
countries a
itsura niya
day.
pag
Let's
nilalaro
find
niya.
your starting country.
Maganda siyang exposure sa bata kasi na-imagine niya talaga yung buong earth, yung map. Kaya makapamiliarize siya sa mga itsura ng
Make
map.
sure your plane is cleared for landing.
Ikaw mamimili pala kung gusto mong country.
You've been delayed for a day. Try again.
Asan
Tap
yun?
Turkey to make sure
Turkey.
your plane is cleared for landing.
Turkey. Asan nga ba ang Turkey? Ang banda malapit ko sa Middle East. Ayun. Okay.
Nice work. We're all clear to land in Turkey.
Ayun. So, ano pa
Do
ba
you
mga
want to travel
features
to
na to?
Egypt, Israel, or Jordan? Using the stylus, touch a selection.
At try natin yung sa
to
language.
choose your
Sa
next
language.
destination.
Ayan. Pagka babalik kayo doon sa mga
Are you sure you want to
choices, language, capitals, currencies, explore yung
Countries.
yung
Use
button.
the stylus to touch the globe.
Animals, geology, landmarks.
Capitals.
Yan,
Use the
capitals,
stylus to touch the
capitals per
globe and
country.
learn about the
Gusto niyo ba
world's
yan?
capital languages. Use
Okay,
capitals.
capitals.
Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's capital cities.
Pagka ganun natin, diretso na dito.
Algiers. Algiers is the capital city of
Algiers pala.
Algeria.
Okay. Yun yung capital kala ko, Algiers, Algeria. Tapos, try natin yung languages.
Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn China. Mandarin Chinese
Yun.
is
So,
the
diretso
official
na siya.
language.
Pagka-explore, tatapat mo lang kung anong country yung gusto mo na malaman kung language or currency, ganyan. O, try natin currency.
Flags. Currency. Use the stylus to touch the Philippines.
Philippines.
The official currency of this country is the Philippine peso.
Peso, ayan. Alam niyo na, Philippine peso. Okay.
Flags.
Flags tayo.
Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's flag.
Asa na ang Israel.
Israel. This is the flag of Israel.
Yan. So, maganda siya, di ba, mga mommies, daddies, for homeschool. So, para lang mas entertaining siya sa mga bata, lalo na pagka mga medyo big group, like 3, 4, 5 na mga kids. Ano masaya siyang tingnan na nag-uunahan sila, uy, sa dito yung China, sa dito yung Philippines, ganyan. Talagang China at Philippines ang pinakita ko. Ayun, so, madali lang naman din siya i-turn off kung yung pinang-turn off, parang shutdown na, button. Ayun. Tapos, dalawa ata or apat yung yung battery nito na AA. And so far, di ko mga nagpapalit. Naka 1 month na ata to sa amin. Ayun. Ano pa ba ang tinanong ko pala nung binili ko to is kung may ilaw ba siya. Kasi nung bata kami, meron kami group na umiilaw. Ayun, yun nga lang, hindi siya umiilaw. So, sa umaga nyo lang siya gagamitin. Or may ilaw naman sa gabi, pwede naman. Ayun, ano pa ba? Hindi siya, madali siyang linisin. Para sa akin, tama lang yung laki niya. Kung nagmo-Montessori kayo, kasi pagka Montessori, diba, tactile. So, minsan gusto nila yung globe na medyo may naka-emboss or may sand, ganyan. So, I think ito is talagang very for informational na globe. And, I think okay siya ng 5 years old up. So, sana nagustuhan niyo yung review ko about. So far, wala akong nare-reklamo sa kanya. Yun lang may hinanap ko sa kanya nung binili ko is yung umiilaw. Ayun, kasi di ba pag mga bata natutuwa sa mga umiilaw. And okay naman siya. So far, hindi pa kami naghahanap ng mga any updates kasi kontento pa kami. Inaalam pa namin siya. Nasa journey pa kami ng anak ko kung yung mga dapat niyang alamin sa Blue. Dahil may social studies na rin ng mga kinder. Ayan. So, thank you sa inyong pagpanood. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang review natin sa ating Talking Globe by Leapfrog. Hanggang sa muli. Bye! Happy homeschool!